on what you eat. So overall weight loss, there's no such thing as spot reduction. That is a myth. You can't choose where you lose the weight from. You have to decrease the amount of calories you're taking in and have systemic full body weight loss. And genetics will decide if you lose it from your chin, your shoulders, your hips. And usually the place you don't like it is the place that it comes off last. My two favorite exercises that almost everybody can do for this area right here is going to be a dumbbell row. And I like to do a 3-point dumbbell row. It's a dumbbell row where your knee is not on the bench. You're actually in an athletic position with your one hand out on the bench in front of you, and you're rowing on the other side. So you're actually going to get core involved. So it's a core exercise first so that you don't rotate through your lower back. And then it's palms down, wrist to wrist. So you're going to be in a tabletop position with one hand on the bench, bringing your wrists to your wrists. That's number one, to get rid of this area. Number two, for our sides, I'm actually not a huge fan of side planks because side planks puts a lot of stress on this anterior shoulder. Also, I'm not a huge fan of side bends and using your spine as the prime mover, because your spine is actually a stabilizer and a transfer of energy from hip to shoulder. What I love to do are push-up taps. So I'm going to get in a push-up position. My feet are going to be wider than my hands, and I'm going to do taps. I'm going to bring my opposite hand to my shoulder, and I'm going to alternate side to side without letting my hips move. Because if I don't let my hips move, I'm getting those internal muscles. So the two exercises are going to be dumbbell row for this area, and then push-up taps for our sides.